October 10, 2018, Hurricane Michael hit the panhandle of Florida. Brenda and I are down here again this year, spending some time at our condo in Panama City Beach, Florida. Maybe you caught in an earlier video where 3 months after Hurricane Michael hit, we were down here and we took a ride around. We checked out Panama City Beach, where our condo is. We continued on to Panama City, and then from there we continued on to the heavily hit area of Mexico Beach. In this video, what I'm going to do, which is actually a year later, is we're going to take that same path. We're going to go assess the conditions. We've got our fingers crossed that things are going to start looking a lot better. This is the spot that we pulled over on the last time we were checking the hurricane damage out. And you can see behind me the building. This is the one that was completely blown out. The glass was all out of it and everything. And remember, then I turned around and there was actually a building right behind me here. As you can see, that building's gone. So there is quite a bit of progress being made here, but still they've got a long way to go. This is the spot at Mexico Beach Pier. I did a lot of video clips my last video. It's still pretty rough. Right here is where all that metal was, washers, dryers, and anything that was metal. It looks like behind me you can see that there is some construction going on. They're either rebuilding that or it's actually new construction going up. Things in Panama City Beach look pretty good. If you were new to Panama City Beach, you maybe wouldn't even know that there was a hurricane. If you're going through Panama City, you would see that there's construction going on. Yet, if you were looking for a little bit of hurricane damage, it definitely is still there. Mexico Beach, I think, is still struggling a little bit. As you can see, things are cleaned up a little bit. The construction has started, but not to the point where they're going to get back to normal anytime soon. Anyway, guys, thanks again for joining me, and we will catch you next time.